Hello everyone, myself Rucha Patil, DE, AI&DS B Division, roll number 9 of Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science of Dr. D.Y. Patil Institute of Technology, Pimpri, Pune. So today I am here to present my project of the subject Artificial Intelligence, and I have implemented a project of checkers game using MiniMax Algorithm in Python. So let's start with my project. Before getting there, let me show you what the MiniMax algorithm is. So here, as you can see, that this is my min-max algorithm. In this, what is there is that we have given the name to each branches as maximum, minimum, and maximum. Here, the series is 10 plus infinity, 5, minus 10, 7, 5, and so on. Now, compare 10 and plus infinity. Which is the minimum between them? 10 and plus infinity, the minimum is 10, so we will select 10. Here there is no option, that's why selected as 5. Here as well minus 10. Then select from 7 and 5. The minimum is 5, that's why we printed as 5, and here minus 7. Now compare 10 and 5. Which is the maximum between them? The maximum is 10, so we printed as 10 here, as it is forwarded as minus 10. Then compare 5 and minus infinity. Which is the maximum? It is 5. So here 5 is forwarded and here minus 10. Now we compare 10 and minus 10. So here, which is the minimum in them? It is minus 10. So minus 10 is forwarded here, and in between 5 and minus 7, minus 7. Now we compare minus 10 and minus 7. Here in between minus 10 and minus 7, the maximum is minus 7. That's why minus 7 is the answer. And according to this algorithm, I have implemented my checkers game. So let me show you my code, what I have given in my code. So here I have made a main Python file, that is main.py, in a folder, and made 3 folders, as you can see here: minmax folder, checkers folder, and assets folder. In assets folder, I have given here a image of crown. The crown image is given for a checker, that is the piece where if the piece goes till the end of the opponent, he will be awarded as a crown, and he can move diagonally in all the 4 directions. It will come in asset. The crown is in the asset. Now in checkers game, before implementing this game, let me tell you first that before implementing, you have to import pygame, that is install pygame on your command prompt. How can you install it? Pip install pygame. By this you can install your pygame and it will show you the implementation. So let's come here in the checkers folder. In the checkers folder, I have made a file.board in file that is board.py. In this board.py, I have styled my board, that is the board of the checkers. The board of the checkers is similar to the chess game. Only the difference is that in chess game the boxes are black and white, and here the boxes are red and white or green and white. So here you can see in this board I have given the boxes as red and white, red and black, red and black. So here in class board I have defined my init method, draw squares. Here the squares have been drawn. Then the pieces I have drawn the pieces. Pieces are are in circular shape, so I have given that commands to it, and you can see for the movement of that pieces I have given here commands: self.board piece.draw. You can see here. Then the creation of board is being shown here. Then draw, remove the piece if draw means if both the opponents means both the opponents have same score, then here I have defined as draw. Then remove if opponent's piece failed, then I have removed it. And for the winner I have defined it as if self.red left is less than or equal to 0, return white. Return white means what? That is white, that is the white has been the winner. And if self.white left is less than or equal to 0, then return red, that is the red is the winner. So get valid moves I have given here. Then traverse left, traverse right. You can see here traverse left for the left traverse of the piece, and here traverse right for the right traversing. Now in constant.py I have defined the constants such as width and height of the board must be 800 by 800, rows and columns must be 8 by 8, and the square size of the window must be width divided by rows. And I have defined my colors using the numbers. Red is 25500, white, black, blue, and gray. Here the crown has been imported from the assets folder, which is here. And in game.py I have given the commands and everything for the game, how it must be operated and it must do for self, for the winner, for reset and select. If I want to move the piece, if I want to draw the valid moves, if I want to change the turn, then and each and everything is given in the game.py folder. In piece.py I have defined the piece, that is the circular which on the board for the playing of the chess. Here serve.x, that is the square size. What is the square size? The red color or white color. What is the square size of it? Multiplied by the column plus square size divided by 2. It will give the position where to keep the piece. And I have given here draw. If it's the king, then the crown must be shown on that piece. So I have given here the command if I want to move here and this one. In MinMax folder, I have implemented my algorithm of MinMax. So here what I have done is imported my pygame, and red white are the boxes. Here in definition of MinMax I have defined its position, depth, maximum player and game. So if the depth is equal to 0 and position winner is no one, then re-evaluate my position. So here maximum player and minimum player. As I have shown you in the algorithm, we have given each branches as minimum, maximum, so on. Here it is same as here. So here what is, if the maximum, if it's a maximum player, then maximum evaluation will be float of minus infinity, and best move is none. For move in get all moves, position white, game. Evaluation is min max, move depth minus 1, and false, game. Maximum evaluation is equal to evaluation, best move is equal to mean, and return the best move. Else same, it is same as maximum player, just the thing is here minimum player, and float is infinity instead of minus infinity. It will be here, it will be red, and here it will be true. Then I simulate the move, then get all the moves and draw moves. Same here, you can give your time delay as 100 or anything, but by giving the time delay, move will be faster or slower according to it. Let's go to our main.py file. So here I have imported pygame and constants board game from the checkers folder and algorithm from the minmax folder. So here definition main, come to the definition main. Here while run clock, if game.turn, that is if the turn is of white, then minmax algorithm will be. Why I have given white? Because white is from the computer side, that's why algorithm will be implemented from the white side. Our side is red side, so here it will be implemented as white. And here I have fixed my depth as 4. You can see here my depth is 4. You can fix your depth to anything, but the thing is that time complexity will increase due to it, but the accuracy will increase according to it. Accuracy will increase, but the time will be increased as well. We don't want to increase the time, that's why I have kept my depth as 4. So here you can see. Now let's see the implementation of my project. So here you can see, here my window will pop up. So this red is my turn and the white is from the computer side. So let's see, if I do my move here, computer will analyze it, and according to that move, according to it, he will make the best move from his side. He is analyzing it, as we have given the depth 4, till the depth 4 he will analyze it and make the move. Here he has made his move. Now if I make another move, see here, so he will again analyze it and make his another move. You can see he made his another move. And if my side of the checkers goes to this side, that is in the opponent side, this will be awarded as a king. And if the opponents get to here, then it will be awarded as a king. The thing is that king can go in all 4 directions, that is here it is showing only 2 dots, here blue, here blue. But if he is a king, then the dots will be here as well as here. so he can move in all the four directions, and according to it, he will make the best move according to that choice. That's all in my game, and you can see this code on my GitHub account. So, thank you.